So that was the first introduction to Japanese language. And since then I realized that I have to take more courses to achieve a high level in this language.
I've always liked the Japanese tradition, the culture.
もっと上手になりたいです。
It was a lot about trying to expand my horizons and learn about different cultures. Japan is very different.
I had visited, as I said, I visited there many years ago, and I had always wanted to learn Japanese. I've tried.
It's not easy, but it's not difficult. If you want to climb the mountain, you have to climb every meter every day. So every day I have at least half an hour to study.
I don't think it's difficult. It's just being able to dedicate the time to studying.
楽しいと思います。先生の教え方もいいと思います。
I was able to do all the basics, but I didn't have as much time to practice. But that's more about my adult classes, and I was still able to do fine.
At least for me, it's enjoyable and it's very different than what I do at work. So.
Attain offers a very well-organized course. Everything is scheduled. Time counts here, so you are not waste time. If you want to succeed, you have the opportunity with Attain.
I would say to go ahead and try it.
何もしなかったら何もにならない。でもやってみたらいいかどうか選ぶことができます。
It depends on the important thing in learning in ARJ language school compared to just courses online is the feedback.
Is I spend a lot of time thinking about it, not spending enough time actually doing it, and so you just got to bite the bullet and actually do it.